Abotani Kadinjam, Abotaro Kadinjam.
Abotani is a short animation film that explores indigenous representation of Arunachal Pradesh through the medium of animation. I coordinated the workshop at Lalit Color Academy, and I invited 3 young animators to participate and create the stop-motion animation frames for the film.
I'm going to tell you a bedtime story. I'm going to tell you a folk tale of 2 brothers that also explains how we became black. Just correct me if there's any because I'm really confused. No?
We see these kind of animation works as a method of art education and also as a kind of an instrument for recollection.
And there are so many traditions, tribal traditions, folk traditions, and all kinds of traditions are there. Even the religious aspect, devotional tradition, all kinds of traditions are there. Then modern art, and then what has come into the modern times, which is inspired by generally inspired by the West, whole kind of approach.
How dare you? This is too much. I can't live with you anymore.
The character of Wangdan, his journey from Arunachal to NID, then doing this, then going back. So, you know, that journey will open up aspects. That journey will open up aspects of his culture and his personal life. Actually, life is not, you can't label it as a single identity.
But within Thani clan, there are 5 sub-tribes again.
Okay.
Like I'm one among them.
Okay.
And we have similar cultures, but we have different language.
Okay.
And
so now, for you to just say this on camera is so complex.
Yeah, it's difficult. It's difficult to explain.
If you'll go to very remote area, very inside Myanmar border, there are some village where they are still following their rituals, old rituals, old religion. They have their own priest.
Have you been there?
Yeah, I've been there. It's very far. They don't even have main road till here, so you have to go by walk. But the village which are connected to road, where transportation and communication problem is not there, so they are like most of the villages converted. In some way, it's good also because in past, this head hunting thing was there. There were people cutting each other's heads. The same village were fighting with each other. Tribe was same, but still they were fighting with each other for territory and other things. The Christianity, it comes from the British. When they used to send the army people or their own sepoy people to our place, so they were warlike tribes earlier. So when they get aggressive when they see the people penetrating their place, so they used to fire them. So that's why they had the idea of sending the Christian missionary there and teach them about the Bible and Christ. There are certain Hindu people, they burn the body, and Christian, they bury the body, but we used to keep the body outside. Drinking is
it was like in the
it was in a culture where people brew their own alcohol in their home only. So in evening when they used to come back from the field, they used to gather in boys' dormitory and they used to sing together. It was called Lailung Chai song. So it was all day routine, every day it used to happen. So but nowadays things has changed. People come back from the field, but this time they go to church and they sing there.
In West Bengal also, there are many people from that part.
Yes.
So
Santhal, Santhal?
Urao.
Urao.
Yeah. So every year our parents try to organize our festivals there.
Yes.
So
in Bengal or back home?
In Bengal.
And when they make these kind of houses, do they do some kind of rituals and things?
Rituals, of course, party, small party. They will give. They will just invite after the house is done. They will just invite some people and have drinking wine and all that rice wine commonly. They just used to have that. And of course, then after that, it's called Udewi. Ude means house, and Ui means the puja. Okay, Udewi. They will make those prayers for the house.
lots of people are shifting to cities.
But what is the nature of the agriculture?
Rice.
The village attitude, town attitude was slightly different. So they still got a village attitude. Although their dress, everything will be modern, but still their attitude, their state of mind, that will be different from us. Sure. They're more stronger than us.
They suddenly got exposed to what's happening in the cities. Yes. So they want that kind of life.
Yes. I never heard about this story.
They have very emotional attachment with that story. It's very important to see if it's going in the right direction and what they are thinking. It has to be very honest.
Avatar is always a clever one and Yapum always a stupid one.
Stop motion is a very different thing. You have to interact with the model. That's the thing. You have to touch it, feel it. ऊपर देखते हैं, मुड़ के ऊपर देखते हैं।
तो गुस्से से देखता है ना, ऐसे मुड़ के देखता है। हाँ देखता है कि वो गायब है।
ना थोड़ा पे गुस्सा, मिट चला गया ना उसका फिर टापिंग जहाँ पे वो टापिंग जहाँ पे मुड़ेगा तो टापिंग नहीं।
आगे जाके स्पेशलाइजेशन करना पड़ेगा. Are you good at figures, then you'll be given the job of modeling figures. If you're good at landscapes, then you'll be told to develop backgrounds.
Now, because of the computers have come now, and we have the facility to see many different angles, and what we call the techniques are available to create something in a much wider terms.
हम दो बंदे एनिमेट कर रहे हैं, तो तारा तो रहेगी आप लोग को गाइड करने के लिए, लेकिन हम दोनों बारी बारी करके करते हैं. तो पहला वो करते हैं या फिर मैं करता हूँ, इस तरह से करते हैं. जब ये करते हैं तो मैं फ्री रहता हूँ, जब ये करेगा उस समय मैं आप लोग को एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ, आपके साथ इंटरेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. स्टॉप मोशन सबसे बेस्ट मीडियम होगा और नेचर का कोई फॉक टाइप को सुनाने के लिए. ठीक है. अच्छा, तो स्टोरी बोर्ड में बोला था कि स्टोरी बोर्ड अभी विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी हमारे पास है, उसके बाद अभी एनिमेटिक जरूरी है, क्योंकि एनिमेटिक में हम इसमें हमें विजुअल तो नहीं है, लेकिन साउंड भी फिल्म में उतना ही ज़्यादा वो करता है.
एक स्ट्रक्चर को लेके पहले बीच से फ्रेम करते हो आप, रेगुलर मतलब कंटिन्यू नहीं, जैसे कि
कन्वीनियंट के साथ. देखिए जैसे अभी ये शॉट दिया ना, इसमें बस एक कैरेक्टर है, बैकग्राउंड खाली है. ठीक है. तो और एक शॉट इसमें जहाँ देख रहे हैं इसमें भी सेम कैरेक्टर है, बैकग्राउंड में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. अच्छा. तो इसको ज़्यादा मूव करने की हम लोग को ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Abutani had a second son because of his extras. He knew what was coming.
So let's say he's Abutani, and the voiceover begins. Abutani had this very special qualities. He had this magical third eye.
The film will be dubbed into several local languages for screenings, as well as Hindi and English.
You look tired. You look tired.
Yeah, at the moment there is one bat flapping, which is great. So maybe the first bat is escaping and is at a certain scale. Then when you have the second shot also of the bat from another point of view, if you reduce the same bat into two smaller, so then you'll have like 3-4 bats. But I would, what was bothering me, but it was bothering me more, in terms of the technique, is how are you going to do the color correction? What time में? बीच में वो frames के बीच में भी light change था, तो इतना मेहनत नहीं लगी बहुत ज़्यादा. I'm not talking about the sequence, but उसी frame के अंदर. Exactly. That Tara has brought into forefront. I really admire the fact that she's been doing it now for several years and has somehow now made sure that this animation is happening.
Central government funds a lot of money in Arunachal, a huge amount of money in Arunachal, especially Arunachal, Jammu and Kashmir, in these border areas for this land, military and all other stuff. So people won't do that job good, they will just take the money, they won't make the road good.
Right from the beginning I knew this was a special project. And to pull it off, given Indian circumstances, Indian shortage of funds, I mean, I give her credit, but I also give you credit to the fact that, she's been able to put you together as a team. So the credit doesn't just lie with her, but, she's spearheaded it. She had to identify people like you.
If you come back to Arunachal, you have to be in that society to go further. Then of course, when we go there, In fact, we feel like fools, you know, actually. Of course, when they come out here, they feel like fools, but when we go back there, we feel like fools. Because in co-curricular activities, they will give their hands here and there, they will run from here, and we are looking like, alright, what we have to do. The racial discrimination
that you feel is, you feel it strong, or you think it's more like how our press?
No, it's, of course, this is a very strong idea.
It's very easy to lose projects midway, upstream, you know, very easy, because art is full of people with attitude, good or bad, you know, these creative inputs. Some things go wrong. Stop frame is tedious like hell.
What about all these big Indian animation companies?
They are all doing for Hollywood and for the...
Most of them are doing outsourcing.
I remember I also, you know, in the beginning of my career in 2004, I am designing for character modeling. For one company, we are designing for Hollywood character, for Hollywood films.
Why?
Because there's a lot of revenues come from Hollywood, you know.
And the contemporary is what is now we are doing as an ongoing thing. Like there are trends. Now what trends are going. Right now, all Indian artists are, in fact, everywhere. There's an attempt of experimenting, try to evolve something which we have not done before.
This project connects the past to the present situation in Arunachal Pradesh, using animation as a tool to communicate certain cultural aspects for future generations.
The Lalit Kala Academy should not confine itself only to, you know, camps and workshops, but it should also do something about what is going on in the ground and keeping the orality alive, not just textualizing it, but contextualizing it.
Abutane!
Abotani